The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to the second session of our lesson Minding My Manners. Before we start our today's session, let us have a recap of our previous session. Yes, in the previous session we read about a poem on manners. Do you remember that? It is written by Florence A. Richardson. I will read the poem. You listen to it carefully. Okay? Manners. Florence A. Richardson. Water and soap will make you sweet. Brush and comb will keep you neat. But thank you, please and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. With clothes that have no spot or rent, with shoes that shine, be not content, but polish up your manners too. Make courtesy a part of you. Children, what message did you get from this poem? Apart from wearing clean clothes and polished shoes, you should also polish up your manners. That is, you should learn to behave properly. Children, you should never forget to use these magic words, thank you, please and pardon me. That will make you a sweet and kind child. This is the message of this lesson. Now let us start with today's session. Children, open page number 51 in your studio. The pep activity. Today we are going to describe the action words. Okay? Describing action words. Let us see. So in PEP 8.6 you have to write some action words that you do every day. Yes. What are the actions that we do every day? Yes. We eat, sleep, drink, play. Eat, sleep, drink and play are action words. Okay? So let us see how we describe them. Page number 52, you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate action words. That is, questions are given, you have to fill in the blanks in the answer column. Okay? How do you comb your hair? I comb it neatly. Okay? I comb it neatly. How will you ask your friend for an eraser? Yes, I will ask politely. How will you ask? I will ask her or him politely. How does she smile at others? She smiles at them sweetly. She smiles at them sweetly. Here, which are the describing words mentioned in these answers? Sweetly, neatly and politely. We added ly to the describing word. That is, we added ly to the describing word. That is, to describe the action. That is, the words sweetly, neatly and politely. These words tell us how or the way in which we perform an action. The way in which we perform an action. These words tell us how or the way in which we perform an action. How did you ask your friend an eraser? Yes, you asked him politely. Then, how did she comb her hair? Yes, she combed her hair neatly. How did she smile? Yes, she smiles sweetly. How will you ask your friend an eraser? Yes, you will ask him politely. So, how did you perform the action? Yes, you did it politely. How did she comb her hair? Yes, she did it neatly. So, which is the describing word here? Word that describes the action is neatly. The action word here is comb. And how did she perform the action? Neatly. How will you ask your friend an eraser? Yes, you ask him politely. So, which is the action word in this sentence? Ask. So, how did you perform the action? Yes, you did it politely. You asked politely. How does she smile at others? Yes, she smiles at them sweetly. So, which is the action word here? Smiles. How is the action performed? Sweetly. So, the action word is smiles and the describing word to the action word is sweetly. Let us see some more examples. Ram played the drums loudly. Ram played the drums loudly. How did he play? Loudly. Which is the action word here? Played. And loudly is the describing word. Mohan plays the sitar beautifully. So, plays is the action word and beautifully is the describing word. He walked slowly. So, which is the action word? Walked. And the describing word is slowly. Nandan ran quickly. Ran is the action word and quickly is the describing word. Okay. He carried the box carefully. How did he carry the box? Carefully. So, the action word is carried and carefully is the describing word. Children, in some describing words, we have to replace y with I and add ly to the end. It is sleepy, sleepily, happy, happily. It is we remove y with I. Okay? Instead of y, we write I and add ly to the end of the word. Okay? Example, the children cheered happily when their favorite team won the match. Okay? Happily. Happy, you have to remove y and add ily. Okay? The cat looked at her sleepily. Here you have to remove y, then we will add ily to the end of the word. Okay? The boys entered the classroom noisily. Noisy, we will remove y, then we will add ily. Okay? Children, today we learned the words that describes the action, that is how the action is performed or the way by which the action is performed. We also learned to describe an action word by replacing y with I and adding ly to the end of the word. Hope you understood this session. Children, you will do these activities in your studio and companion for more understanding. Okay? In your studio, activity 8.7 and 8.8, and you do the activities in your companion 8B, 8C and 8D. Okay. It is time to end today's session. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye. See you.